Hey, this is Pete at Carpizzo's Kitchen. You know what? It's hot. Nobody wants to bake a cake, but we can make a dessert in about 35 seconds and make it and everybody will love it. So here we go. Get yourself some angel food cake. Break it in the bottom of your bowl. Just like this. Break it up so it's nice little cubes. Okay? Get yourself some nice strawberries, like this. Over the top, over the top, over the top. So you have some nice strawberries. And you can put on top of this whatever you like. Ice cream. I just happen to have some whipped cream, which everybody loves. And we're just gonna give it a nice topping of saturated fat.
And what about the cinnamon?
If you like cinnamon, you can place cinnamon.
I like cinnamon.
We're gonna make Anthony's and we're gonna put that one with cinnamon. So here we go. We're gonna do the same thing again. Same thing again. Just like this. We're gonna give it some nice strawberries.
A lot of juice.
Juice on top because he likes the juice. Okay. And then we're going to give him a little ice cream on top. And because, as you already know, Anthony is lactose intolerant. So we give, for Anthony, some lactose vanilla on top. Like this. Just like that. Very simple. So we have two styles. We have one this way and one that way. And then we give Anthony a little cinnamon on top. I'm back again. A little cinnamon. Right on top, just like this. He likes a little cinnamon on his ice cream and just a little bit of whipping.
Hold it up to the camera.
So there we have it. A simple, easy, cool dessert for summertime. We'll see you again. Like us, subscribe. Goodbye again from Pete at Carpizzo's Kitchen. Bye!